Daniel from Apepo. I'm a businessman based in Kisac, working on Soapstone. Soapstone, we do export and we also sell locally. I think I want to comment about the effect of the taxation and by extension the finance bill 2024 and the effect it has on soapstone industry. You know, when you increase tax, as the government, you collect revenue, but you squeeze production. And the net effect, when production goes down, even the taxation, it will also go down, and you might not even meet the target you have. Normally, good taxation is to increase production, so that out of the high production, the very many things which are being produced, you will be able to collect more tax. Because as we talk today, tourists which were going to the Masai Mara by passing through Kisac, they are no longer going there because we increased the entrance fee in the Mara to I think about 100, and the Mara and the Serengeti are the same park. Those animals don't know the boundary, so the tourists have decided to see Masai Mara by passing through Amboseli, Namanga, Arusha, and go to the Serengeti, and we have missed those tourists. So business is going to go down because of the effect of trying to get money from people. And I'm sure the government, of course, through the Ministry of Mining, if you have to export, you must pay a fee, and which to us, it has not been happening. But I'm sure there are people now in the soapstone industry who have been pushed out because of the high taxation. There are those people who are collecting small chips and they take them to Nairobi. Even the county government is charging, I think, about 10,000 a ton. And there are people who can't raise that money, and even the profit is not even 10,000. So how do you do a business which is not profitable? So we ask the government, please come to the ground with your finance bill. Let us give our input so that you correct it, and maybe you might understand what we are undergoing before imposing people, tax on people. And when you do it, I will tell you, in the next future, you are going to realize the decisions you are making were wrong, because even the investors, they are going to run away. Some of our buyers were asking us and telling us, Kenya now, as shipping from Kenya is the highest in the world. And they're thinking whether they should still continue collecting their things from Kenya, or go to different places. In fact, we are lucky that soapstone can only be found in Kenya. If they had option, as any business person, you can't ship where shipping cost is highest in the world. So I think as policymakers, including the finance bill, please involve people. And if people are not telling you the right thing, in increasing tax, you can pay the short term madeni we have, but in the long term, the effect is production is going to go down. People will close business. People will stop producing, and you will not have an option where to collect those taxes. Effect of the El Nino, apart from the rains raining and people did not have time to do the carving, but you know, from the quarries where we mine the stones, there is a lot of water which went to those quarries. And still those quarries have got water. So every day, including today in the morning, some of the covers were saying they can't access the stone because there is too much water in the quarries. And hopefully we expect some help from someone, including making roads to where those quarries are, having assistance maybe to drain the quarries so that water is not stuck there. But the other thing which you have had on on the COVID effect is we have seen the number of visitors going down, and generally business is not good, because when people are overtaxed, they will not come to buy Soapstone, because Soapstone is the luxury. They have got to buy the Motorino. People must eat first before they go to Raxam. So there is very slow business, apart from the orders we get from outside, and they're becoming more expensive because of the shipping cost, the high taxation, and the things manufactured in Kenya are becoming more expensive. And if they have options